got your fire, baby.
Smell this gas, yeah, it's on me. A lot of niggas talking, but I know these niggas phony. A lot of niggas plotting, but these niggas, they can't hold me. She shake ass, yeah, she hoeing. She done left her ex nigga, now this bitch, she glowing. She got mouth like a C4, this bitch get the blowing. And the crackers at the front door, but they ain't got no nose. Like a stinted, bro, gon' show. We in the city, yo, we rollin'. And my Cuban still on Doja. With a bad bitch look like Doja. While I'm chillin', blowing Doja. She tryna fuck, we got some clothes. I roll my raw, she bend it over. I'm a strike without no host. She ride my dick like roller coaster. 100 miles in a Range Rover. I hope these crackers don't pull me over. Jump in the back like, where's my chauffeur? I'm on mud and it's showing. Adderall and I'm focused. High speed, gotta soak. We gotta wait, she outspoken. She got knowledge, she don't show. But give her a stick and she gon' blow it. I'ma keep her hoes hoeing. Rip her open, Hulk Hogan. That's my bitch, that's my rider bitch. 35 plus 3 with me, man. Stay down till you come up, nigga. Fuck all that other shit. Get you a ride or die bitch. I knew a couple niggas that was gonna ride for me, but they ain't.